Hi, we're Darby and Ro, and Cosmo. We're currently travelling Australia in our self-converted van. We upload videos every week about our travels and the ups and downs of living in a van. This is what we got up to this week. Just dropped Cosmo off at the caravan park at Acacia, and we're heading into the Litchfield National Park today, and we're very excited.
Very excited.
Okay, so Ron's getting a bit of road rage. I accidentally cut him off. What were you going to say?
I got a mosquito bite on my leg.
Got back from Florence Falls and we're just having some leftover fried rice for lunch. We've just pulled up at this place. The name of it, actually I was here 2 years ago with my mum and I've always called it Wangi Falls. And the lady at the caravan park today said, oh, you can also go to Wangi Falls. Have I just been like butchering it for all these years? I feel a little bit silly and bogan because like Wangi Falls is such a, I don't know, it just sounds so like Australian and bogan when it's actually pronounced Wongai. So top tip, it's called Wangi Falls, not Wangi Falls. We took the van in for a service the other day and we've got some good news and some bad news. The good news was it only came to $300, which was a blessing financially because we were willing to spend thousands of dollars on this issue. So basically we were driving through Litchfield National Park. Sorry, we're right next to a highway. We were hearing this weird whirring sound coming from the engine area, so we figured we'd come back up to Darwin and get that fixed, so that's what we did. The issue was the compressor clutch and it was slipping, and so they said basically that to get a new one, to get a new compressor, we need to order it in from Germany because there's none in the country at the moment. Make more noise. You got one more in you? Good coffee?
Good coffee.
Lovely. So basically this compressor comes with oil in it, and Australia is very strict with liquids coming in via plane to the country, so it would need to come via boat, which would just take months and months. And with this thing broken, that means we don't have aircon. So we're up in like the most northern part of Australia, and it's like 36 degrees every single day without fail, and it is hot. So now we have to drive with the windows down 24/7, and Cosmo is absolutely loving it. So it's not the worst thing in the world, but could definitely be better. At least we can drive the van. We're so lucky that it wasn't a huge issue where we would have had to stop the trip. The other downside is if we did want to get this part in from Germany, it would come to over $2,000, which is quite a big chunk of our budget. And more bad news, all 4 of our tyres need to be replaced because like 3 of them are at illegal tread.
No.
Yeah, 2 are at 0 millimeters.
1's at 0. I'm pretty sure that's what I heard.
I'm pretty sure. Hang on,
I
let
could
me...
be wrong. Could be wrong.
Oh! I stand corrected, I do apologise. Front left is 5 millimeters, front right is 0, and the back 2 are 3 millimeters. The legal limit is 1.5. We'll be heading over to Broome in about 10 days, and so we're gonna get all new tyres there, which we think might come to about $1,000. I think tyres are quite expensive, maybe like $250 each. But this is just the boring stuff now, so I'm gonna stop talking. But that's basically what we went through yesterday, and lucky we didn't get hit with a big bill.
So now that we have no air...
I tried to get out of the way, sorry.
You're definitely in it. So now that we have no aircon and we have to drive with these windows open, this curtain really flaps around and slaps you in the face. Can we get an example? Just like that. So I've MacGyvered up a little system where I've tied a string to a peg which holds down this side. Perfect.
Is that going to fall off? To not complain about the weather too much in this vlog, but just give me this one time. My face is literally slippery 24 hours of the day, and I'm really not having a good time, and I can't wait to get to colder weather. It is 37 degrees today. I'm about to have a meltdown. Bag of ice from the servo. Our drinks are full of ice. Cosmo even has his little cup of ice. Nice icy water. It's a good day because it is so hot here. I will not talk about temperature anymore, but it is hot.
We just spent the night at Timber Creek Caravan Park. We saw some crocodiles get fed, which was really cool. And today we're heading across the border to WA.
Are you excited, bud? Hey, Cosmo. Have you ever been to WA before? First time. WA border coming from the Northern Territory, and there's going to be a huge quarantine point where they come in and extensively search your van, and we're not allowed to take any plants, fruit or veggies in, and we just bought a whole bag of potatoes, so we're going to boil them up. I'm also going to eat all the carrots with the hummus we have, and we've still got a few bits of veggies that Rowan will eat. This is the superior hummus. Yummies. Okay, what is your carrot to hummus ratio? This is mine, and you bite like half of the carrot. That's my ratio, and this is Rowan's. He happily enjoys that.
I've got it.
Oh, you didn't eat the carrot! Make sure you've subscribed because next week's video is wild. We run out of petrol, we have a really close encounter with the biggest bull you've ever seen, and we stay at the sketchiest caravan park, which just, let's just say some shit went down. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next week.